Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. And to achieve all these goals, nutrition is a very important part. If this is your first time over here, we provide authentic and fact-based knowledge about nutrition, health, lifestyle, and wellness. Hi, my name is Aisha. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss on any of the notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about some meal prep hacks for healthy lifestyle. So let's start. The first and the most important hack is that you talk to your family about their food preferences and likes and dislikes. It will help in making food recipes that they will love and enjoy. Make sure you research healthy recipes. Incorporate herbs, spices, fruits and vegetables in your recipe to increase the nutritional content of the food. For example, you can add seeds and fruits to your oatmeal. Do make your meal planning exciting. Try out meatless Mondays, tandoori chicken Thursdays, or fried chicken Fridays so your family has food traditions to look forward to. Start small. Take small steps. If you cannot plan for the whole week, start with planning the dinners for 2 to 3 days. It will be a good step to begin meal prep at home. Dedicate days in the week for meal prep. Identify the day for planning the menu, shopping for ingredients, and for cooking. Be organized. Stock up on the staple ingredients. Make sure you make a list of the items that you need to purchase. This makes food shopping less frequent and a lot cheaper too. Automate breakfast. Overnight oats, cereals, fruits, and granola are no-stress breakfast ideas you can incorporate on a daily basis. If you are serious for meal preparations and planning, then you should have enough containers in your kitchen. Keep food by portion size while following proper storage to prevent spoilage. Remember, the secret sauce of healthier food choices is in the meal planning. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and stay nourished.